Cauliflower was said to be the third among the 5 poisonous vegetables. Is it really that poisonous? Why is it on the list? I bought a very clean-looking cauliflower from the vegetable market. Zoom in under the microscope to see what's going on. Under the microscope, the cauliflower that looks relatively clean shows a lot of dirt. There are also many small white and black spots. Cauliflower is made up of many flowers clustered together. Uneven surface. There are many relatively large gaps in the middle. It's easy to get a lot of messy stuff mixed in. It's the perfect habitat for bugs. So, cauliflower is also a vegetable that uses a lot of pesticides. Because the surface of cauliflower is very tender, it is easy to be bumped and damaged during transportation. Usually after picking, the cauliflower is wrapped in a layer of paper or mesh foam. This will cause pesticide residues to fail to evaporate. Easy to harbor dirt and excessive pesticide residues. These 2 reasons are exactly why cauliflower is on the list. However, these can be minimized by blanching and washing. Cauliflower is like any other vegetable. There are also many nutrients and dietary fiber. Many doctors will say that cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower have certain anti-cancer effects. The reason for this is that these vegetables contain sulforaphane. This is a toxin secreted to prevent insects or other animals from eating it. You heard it right, it's a toxin but in a small dose. The harm to the human body can be ignored. It is the invasion of this toxin that activates a stress response in human cells, which involves an enzymatic reaction. Enzymatic reactions increase the content of antioxidant enzymes. This can make us healthier. Many people say that cauliflower contains oxalic acid, affects calcium absorption. What else has nitrites? But these are many vegetables. If consumed with caution, it will not cause any harm to people. As long as it is boiled in water, the content of such substances can be effectively reduced. The last thing to remind is, once the cauliflower is bumped, black spots are prone to appear on the surface. In severe cases, mildew appears. Once found, it needs to be removed in time. If there are more mildew areas, better not to cook it. Today's journey of exploration of the microscopic world ends here. If you are interested in the micro world, you can follow me. Leave a message in the comment area. Let's explore the mysteries of the microscopic world together.